We have to find the distance covered by Kishane at this time. We have to find the distance that Kishane covered at 9.784 seconds. For that, we need to find the speed of Kishane and we will multiply the time. No, speed of Kishane can be find out by distance upon the time taken to cover that distance. Here we have 100 meters. Time taken to cover that distance is 7.8. Sorry, it's 9.789 seconds. From here we can calculate the speed of Kishane, and after that we will find out the distance covered by him at this time. So now solving this, uh, let us solve this. For that we have 100 divided by 9.789 multiplied by 9.784. It's coming out to be 99.94948 meters. So now we have to find the distance between these two. So at this time, at 9.784 seconds, No covered the complete 100 meters, but Kishane covered 99.948 meters. So the difference between the distance covered at this time is equal to the distance between these two persons. That is 100 minus 99.948. That is the D, or the distance between these two players, which comes out to be 0.05 meters, or we can say it as 5 centimeters. Hence A is the correct answer of this question. Thank you.